Hello everyone, so today I'm in Stuttgart. I'm staying at the Mercure Stuttgart Zuffenhausen. I've been given room 302 on the 3rd floor. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Floor plan, light switches, power outlet below, luggage area with some hooks right there. Cupboard, in-room safe, and some hangers, and extra pillow. Mirror, bathroom with the toilet, sink. Hello, another mirror, and behind the door is the shower. Further inside, pantry area, TV, desk, and a bed with lights and bedside table, more switches, and another power outlet. So, the view that I get is of the street just outside the hotel. Which is not a bad view. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 302 at the Mercure Stuttgart Zuffenhausen. Thanks for watching and goodbye.